got the big black coming off
Well, ladies and gentlemen, a very big hand indeed for the pipes and drums of 7 shots under their pipe major colours on Darren Walker. They marked away to stop the Wave and Lenny and the Black Bear. In great style in those very hot uniforms this afternoon. Well, next up on the stage at 2:05 in a quarter of an hour